Namaste everyone. Today's discussion is on the BRICS Summit 2025, which will be held in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. This is a significant event and our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi will be attending. Let's begin by understanding the importance of this summit. Nurullah, can you start?
Sure, Bhumika. BRICS, which stand for Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, is a group of emerging economies. India plays a crucial role in these alliances. Prime Minister Modi's participation in 2025 summit shows India's commitment to multilateral cooperation, especially in areas like trade, technology and development.
Thanks Nurullah. Sanjana, why is this summit geopolitically important?
It's very important geopolitically because BRICS is pushing for a multipolar world where no single country dominates. With growing tensions globally, BRICS provides an alternative platform. Leaders including PM Modi are expected to discuss reforms in global governance like changes in the UN Security Council and greater representation for developing countries.
That's a very important point. Gururaj, can you tell us about the economic side of summit?
Yes, the one key features of the 2025 summit will be strengthening the intra-BRICS trade and promoting the use of local currencies instead of US dollar.
There is also a talk about expanding the BRICS New Development Bank. India is likely to push for more support for infrastructure, startups and innovation across BRICS countries.
Very insightful, Reshma. Climate change is a growing concern. How is BRICS addressing it?
Great question. BRICS countries are responsible for a big share of global emission, so their action is a vital. At the Rio summit, they are expected to launch a joint green energy initiatives focusing on solar power, electric mobility and forest conservation. PM Modi has been a strong advocate for sustainable development. So, India's leadership here is so crucial.
Thanks, Reshma. Nurullah, what about youth and cultural exchanges?
That's an exciting part. BRICS also promotes people-to-people ties, especially through students' exchanges, cultural festivals, and the BRICS Youth Summit. In Brazil this year, there will be a youth innovation fair, and India is sending a large delegation of students and young entrepreneurs. It's inspiring to see how our Prime Minister supports for global exposures and Indian youth.
Beautifully said, Nurullah. Shanbaz, before we close, any final thoughts?
This summit is not just about politics or economics. It is about India's global leadership, and PM Modi's presence symbolizes that we are ready to shape the future world order.
Absolutely. BRICS gives countries like India a powerful voice and a platform to promote peace, equity and progress.
Thank you everyone for your valuable insights. The BRICS Summit 2025 in Rio de Janeiro will be a milestone event for global cooperation and a proud moment for India. With Prime Minister Modi representing our nation, let's stay informed and hopeful about what's to come.